So how to write headlines that catch attention and gets you money and sales. So this video is about stop writing boring headlines. Now what is really important is if you're a blogger or if you are writing blogs or if you're an affiliate marketer trying to get affiliate sales or any kind form of call to action, right, where people are taking some form of action, either buying a product, signing up for your email list, or just filling out forms, you need to have a great headlines. Why? Because the first thing that catches the attention of the reader is the headline. Even in the magazines and the books, the best-selling New York bestsellers, right? The first thing that catches the attention of the book is the headline. Is not the copy, or the sales page, or what is inside of the book, right? It's all about the headline, the first thing. So that's why it's really important. If you want to double or triple or even quadruple your traffic to your page and getting more sales, then watch this video until the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to give you a free bonus, which is basically a free swipe file of best and the greatest ever headlines. So first of all, let's look at the ultimate formula headline, basically script. So the first thing you need to know is you have to have a number. So you know what a number is, right? Number is 10, 50 or 100, right? So then another thing is adjective, a word that describes a thing, right? For example, best, adorable, or surprising. Another thing is you need a keyword, and then rationale, the main way that value is delivered in the content. For example, reasons, ways, or secrets, and the promise. At the end you need a promise, right? So what will the reader get from reading the content? So this is the ultimate and the first formula for great headline writing. So if you're blogging, keep paying attention right now. For example, let me give you one simple and easy example of ultimate formula right now in front of you. For example, 3 best ways to lose weight while eating pizza. So this would be one of the examples, right? So you need the number first, like it could be like 3, 7, or 13, or 100, right? Ways, or 101 surprising ways to make money online, right? Or secrets of making or losing weight while eating donuts, right? So it's really simple, but it needs to be in a way like it's shown over here. So the first thing is number, adjective, keyword, rationale, and promise. So examples: the secrets of making people like you, or a little mistake that cost a farmer $3,000 a year, or how to win friends and influence people, right? So if we remove how to and we have only win friends and influence people, it's not that great catchy headline, right? Because here when we add how to, you see, it creates a better persuasive way of actually catching attention or eyeballs of the reader, right? So another way is how to headline. So how to write a descriptive and interesting headline. Another way is using headline with how to, right? How to plus action, like how to lose weight, how to make money, how to get your ex back, how to have the best sex ever. Like those are the best headlines, starting with how to, right? How to, basically, and then action plus action of doing something. And then how you can make your headline to shine with this method. The shine is acronym, right? Often used for headlines, and it stands for S, specific. It must be specific. H for helpfulness, right? It must be helpful. And I, immediacy, and newsworthiness, and E, entertainment value. So this is how you can make your headline shine, basically get more attention, get more traffic, get more readers to your blog page, to your blog posts, or to your landing pages if you're affiliate marketer. So here are the list headlines, and another way is of course to have, let's say, a list headline which is, for example, 3 ways to lose 20 pounds or 178 ways to lose 20 pounds. So which one do you think would readers or viewers be more drawn to? Of course the second one. Why? Because there are many more ways, right? People, the brain works like in a way that people just want something that gives them more ways for free, right, to achieve certain outcome. So this is another way to have a great list of headlines. Now let's go a little bit back. So another thing, it's topic, right? Topic, it's really important. You need to know your niche and the number of people who see it, and some niches just are not that sexy, right? You're never going to get millions of shares on an article about cleaning floors, right? So that's why you need to shine it up with all of the examples I have shown you previously over here, right? You have to, let's look at it here, of this list of headlines, right, that you can use to create better approach or way for the readers to take action at the end, to go over to your ad, to go to order from your blog post or ad to the blog, and then to take action and buy the product, right, if you're an affiliate. So please subscribe to my channel before leaving, and the links are below this video if you want to connect with me, and if you want to get done for you affiliate website with free headlines that are really working well and different swipes. Then you can also join Facebook group for free under this video to receive your free swipe file. And also, if you want to have done for you affiliate website with ad campaigns that are going to create affiliate sales for you, with, for example, Digistore or Clickbank affiliate marketing, then below this video are links. You can connect with me, and thank you for watching this video.